Hello friends, this is Bhavatosh here. Welcome back to my channel, Perfect Analyst. So today I came up with another DAX functions problems where we need to find last days. I have given here double X, right? So it means you can fill the numbers here. If you want to find last 30 days data or last 20 days data, how you are going to do? So to give you an example here, I created two table. If you can see the right hand side, the 30 days ago I have one column here, right? And here we have the product details. You have a different products category. You have a ship date. If the data is like each day there is a sales data, let's say here for each day we have a sales data. And if you want to compare for today's date or today's data 30 days before, okay, and you want to see that 30 days before what was the sales, then you have to use certain functions, certain DAX function to calculate that. So let's say here on the right hand side I've given 30 days ago. It means suppose this sales data is today is 453.62. 30 days ago my sales data is 13.01. So I will show you in a sheet where you can able to understand clearly. Let's say, so this is your data set, and if you could see here, we have many columns starting from row ID, we have order priority, we have customer information, we have ship date, ship mode, product subcategory, category, we have product name, and finally, if you can see here, we have sales data for each date, and we have order date, ship date. So each ship date having the sales information for each product. Here the question is like, let's say if you want to know last 30 days ago, means 30 days ago what was the sales. Let's say here this is the sales data for this particular date, okay. And if I want to know before 30 days what was my sales, here 28.2. So before 30 days means I need to go back 30 days before, right? So it's come around 453. So this 453 is appearing here. Similarly, for this particular date, this is the sales data, and before 30 days what was my sales, so it will be around 193.59. So same 193.59 is appearing here. Similarly, for each date it is showing the sales data before 30 days. If you want to display this number for each row, how to do that? So that we are going to see. So let's start with this problem. So I have already loaded the data here, and the data set is for orders, return and users. And I have, what I need to do is I need to click on here table. I want to know product name, or maybe I can select order date. So here we have for each day I want the sales. So let's say if January 1, in January 1st I have this much sales, January 2 I have this much sales, right? So I want to know 30 days before or 30 days ago what is the sales. So the data will start from 31st. It means on this particular day before 30 days what was the sales. It means the 6809 should come here. Okay, so how to do that? In this case, you need to use a function, DAX function called DATEADD function. So I'll create a measure here, and this measure name I'll do is, I'll rename it before 30 days. So I will use the calculate function, and sum of sales, I have sales data, this is for total sales, and here I will use the dated function. Okay, so in dated function it's asking the date, so I will use the order date, and selection is date, and interval is before 30 days, so it means minus 30. So I will select day, because I am selecting 30 days, I have to select day. If you want to do minus 30 month, means before 30 months it will show. Similarly, you can also do for quarter and year, but I am choosing here day because I have taken all day wise data, right? So now I'll click here, enter. So this gives me a measure called before 30 days measure, and I'll select here and select before 30 days. Sorry, I think I need to select this particular here. Yeah, it's selected, and select before 30 days. Now here comes, I can see there is a number 6809, right? And this particular day, January 31st, this is the total sales, and I have just compared this to another number before 30 days. It means before 30 days, what was my sales data. So it means in January 1st, I have 6809.81 sales. If you further come down, you can see all 30 days interval data. Okay, so February 11 means before 30 days, this is the data. Before 30 days for February 14 is 196.08. So all this 30 days data will be displaying here. Okay, I hope this is clear, and if you have any queries for date add function, you can write in the comments and I'll be happy to answer. Thank you so much for watching my video.